You check out the forecast. We'll start by looking at our camera that sits on top of our studio here at Fox 4. What a beautiful shot we've got here this morning. Looking off to the east, we're still about 18 minutes or so away from sunrise. That happens officially at 7:02, but we've been watching some gorgeous color there on the horizon. And today we'll see a couple of those high-level clouds you saw there in the distance. That's going to be about it. Mostly sunny. Hot, but our humidity stays down again. And with low humidity, we won't see much when it comes to rainfall. We look for the Bahamas, Florida Keys, all the way up through the Panhandle, and we are not seeing any rain. That dry air gave us a fantastic weekend, a nice start yesterday, and it will continue through your Tuesday. Matter of fact, as we go late afternoon and evening, you see the mostly sunny skies continuing there, as long with that east to westerly breeze. That east to westerly wind is usually a pretty wet weather pattern for us, and we could use some rainfall. We're about a half-inch behind both in Punta Gorda and Fort Myers for the month, but for the year still running a little bit of a surplus. So we'll continue to watch our dry conditions as we go through the next few weeks. Now the winds are light now and the gusts aren't registering yet. However, we look at the wind gust forecast because that tells a story of our day. East to westerly wind is a hot weather pattern for us as well. We'll see those temperatures get up in the upper 80s, if not 90 degrees here this afternoon. So as those winds gust 10 to 15, that'll at least take the edge off the heat. Not going to be strong enough, the winds that is, to cause any kind of issues on the water. No advisories, no cautions, as the seas will be a foot or less. Inland water is a light chop. And as we look at our temperatures currently with low humidity, overnights we're allowed to fall in the mid to upper 50s with low to mid 60s there along the coastline. And that's all going to change in the days ahead because as we get more humid, our overnights will be closer to 70. We are waking up a couple of degrees warmer for Glades and Hendry County, but those dew point values, which is the direct amount of moisture, the measurement there in the atmosphere, it's way down at refreshing. We'll take it for the mid parts here of April. So still really comfortable despite our temperatures getting up into the upper 80s. Our record on this date is 94. The average is 85. So with the high around 89, 90, we'll be right in between those two marks. And then overnight tonight, we'll get into the mid to low 60s. 7-day forecast shows the temperature staying near 90 all the way through the end of the work week into the weekend. You'll also notice there's no rain despite it becoming more humid. We just don't have enough moisture to support any type of rainfall.